Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to use addition-subtraction method, but this case is a little bit different. This is also called special case. Why special case? Because the right side of both equations is exactly the same. We have 4y for the first equation, and I have 4y in the second equation. So what we're supposed to do in this case? Please notice that 4y is equal 4y, right? So instead of this 4y, I'm going to write 2x minus 3, because 2x minus 3 is equal 4y. So I have 2x minus 3 equals 5 minus 6x. 5 minus 6x. Next, I'm supposed to solve this equation for variable x. What I'm supposed to do? I have to collect all x's on the left side and every digit without x on the right side. So I'm going to take this negative 6x and move to the left side, and negative 3 I'll move to the right side. And I have 2x plus 6x is equal 5 plus 3. Combine the like terms. We have 2x plus 6x is equal 8x equals 8. 5 plus 3 is equal 8. In order to find value of x, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to x. Divide by 8. 8 and 8 will cancel out, and x coordinate is equal 1. Next, we're supposed to find a value of y. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to take one of these equations and replace x by this answer, by 1. So I'm going to take the first one. Why I took first one? Because the values of the coefficients are lower than in the second one. Okay, maybe there is no big difference, but still lower than the second one. So that's why I have 2x minus 3 is equal 4y. We said instead of x, I'm going to write down 1. So I have 2 times 1 minus 3 is equal 4y. 2 times 1 is equal 2 minus 3 is equal negative 1 equals 4y. In order to find y, I have to divide both sides equation by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out, and I can say that y is equal negative 1, 4. This is my y coordinate. So this is my x and this is my y. In order to verify these two answers, we're supposed to apply them into our original equations and check if the left side of the equation is equal to the right side. Okay, so let's check. We have 2x minus 3 is equal 4y. This is my first equation. We said instead of x, I'm supposed to write 1. So I have 2 times 1 minus 3 is equal 4 times negative 1, 4. 2 times 1 is equal 2 minus 3 is equal negative 1 equals 4, and the 4 in the denominator are going to cancel out, and I'm going to end up with negative 1. Someone is going to say, this is enough, I'm okay. Not really. Sometimes you are going to find out that, let's say, your answer is going to check with one equation, but with another one it's not going to work. It's always good to check both equations. So I have next one. I have 5 minus 6x is equal 4y. 5 minus 6 times 1, because my x is equal 1, equals 4 times negative 1/4. 5 minus 6 is equal negative 1, and I have 4, and 4 will cancel out. I have negative 1. So as you can see, the answers x equal 1 and coordinate y equals negative 1/4 are basically correct values, and I can say that the ordered pair, and I have x equals 1 and y is equal negative 1/4, is the solution to my system of two linear equations.